Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2008 Pontiac Torrent.
And where are we?
Today's task, programming remotes. Tools needed for this job are your key and your remotes. You can program up to 8. So even if you have one that's already programmed and you're just adding some, you're going to have to reprogram the old one as well. So just make sure you have all your remotes handy and your ignition key. First thing you want to do is insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position without starting it. And then you're going to focus on these buttons here. Now this will work on Yukon, Tahoe, Escalade, a bunch of GMs that have this set of keys here for your information center. So what you want to start with is by pressing this information key. And you're going to watch in here until it says program remote. Learn remote key, and then press the check mark to begin, which is located right here next to it. So we want to do that. And remote key learning active. So the next step, you want to press and hold your lock and unlock button for up to 15 seconds and listen for the audible sound. Okay, and then you want to repeat those steps on the next one. Okay, those should be programmed. Now what you want to do is turn the key off to exit programming mode, and then test your remotes. And you're all set. And like I said, you could do up to 8 remotes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And I hope you have a great day.